Excuse me, do you know why we pulled you over today? Exactly, it's because you're not subscribed. So you better fix that right now, or we're gonna have to take you in. Boom. So this is something that obviously, again, is breaking news. Like this whole thing, this whole stream is just breaking news, and then I'm off because I still have to do other work. But this is definitely insane breaking news that we already have hands-on video, or like some people are saying that this is the new color for the iPhone, or the two new colors actually, green and Alpine Green, depending on which one you use. This is obviously something that Apple would want to keep a secret, right? Obviously. I would say that, especially in the current climate, it's so hard to keep these things a secret, because like the entire supply chain is just, people are working from home, people are working on different locations, right? People are fairly split up because like you have to keep a distance between people, because of all the how do you say, yeah, all the guidelines that we have to not get infected with COVID and whatever, right? So it's very hard to manage people when some are working remotely, some are working in the office but spread out. The other ones are working in, I don't know, different offices because you don't have enough space there. It is just something that is hard to do, and then you get leaks like that, like this as well. Anyways, Mac Rumors is reporting on this leak, and I am reporting on Mac Rumors reporting on this leak. So, Sharon, give us a very good read on this one.
New video offers first hands-on look at new green and Alpine Green iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro colors. A new video posted to Twitter has offered a first hands-on look at Apple's new green iPhone 13 and the Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro color options announced earlier this week. Following a tradition it started in 2021, Apple this week introduced new iPhone colors for the spring. The company unveiled only a new purple color for the iPhone 12 last year, but this year introduced two colors for the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro, a standard green and Alpine Green. A video posted on Twitter has offered a hands-on look at the new color options. The green iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini offers a rich, forest-type green, while the Alpine Green is lighter and more similar to the midnight green from the iPhone 11 Pro. Related roundups, iPhone 13.
Whoa, okay. So let's just watch the little video, right? Because we're here anyway, and yeah, I would say that it looks as expected, right? This looks really cool. I love the way green looks on these phones. It is definitely something that I would say is how would you say, a color that everyone would have bought if they would have had the chance, right? It's just like, I would say that it's just a so much better color than blue, for example. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Like, obviously everyone has their preference, but it looks so cool, dude. So anyways, let's just watch the video here. The unboxing is pretty similar to any iPhone, right? But it just, look at how this looks, dude. Like, if you're not buying this, obviously if you already have an iPhone 13, then you're probably not buying this. But if you don't have an iPhone 13, you're still thinking about upgrading, and you're not going for this color, I'm not sure what to tell you. I'm absolutely not sure what to tell you. It's mental. Like, it looks insane. I don't know what that was. That was meant to be a little effect, I guess. But yeah, like, look at this color, dude. This looks insane. This looks wild. This looks absolutely wild. Alpine Green is amazing. Yeah, it is. It is. I love these colors. I want them so bad. I mean, this one might be a little bit too dark, maybe, for my taste. I mean, I buy the Pro anyway, but yeah, I like the Alpine a little better because it's just, like fresh green or something. Oh fuck. And this one is maybe a little bit too dark, right? I don't know. Oh, here it's not. I don't know. Okay, there it looks better. There it looked better. Could be the lighting again. Yeah, could be. I mean, yeah, you saw that here, right? Because here it's cool and it looks better. This is just a little bit too dark. Oh yeah, you could see it here if you got close to it. This is a good green. This is a good green. This is just a little bit too dark. Makes a little bit of brownish, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, like, everyone has their own preference. I would say that these colors are on point. Apple did a really great job getting these colors out there. I love them. I pretty much love them. That's like all I can say about that. We have to move on here a little bit because we are short on time.